Hey guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So for today's video, I thought I would bring in Soph.
Hey guys.
So Valentine's Day is coming up and I thought it would be fun if we show you how we're gonna get ready for Valentine's Day and answer some questions. I feel like Valentine's Day is like fun no matter what you do. Like if you go on a Galentine's Day dinner, or if you watch a rom-com with all your friends, or if you go on a date with your boyfriend that you may have. So we're gonna get ready and answer some questions. Guys, the Clinique Moisture Surge is actually the best moisturizer ever. I'm obsessed with it. How many of you guys asked for Soph in another video?
So
wow. Okay, first question is, what were your first impressions about each other? So Soph and I, we met before school even started, and we met at an ice cream shop, which is really fun. My first impression of Soph was probably just like, you were like really nice. Like I didn't really think anything of it.
But yeah, I just thought you were genuinely nice and chill and
oh wow, it was chill. We also hung out like every single day after we met.
Literally like the first person I met when I got here, like before anybody else.
Yeah, you were the first person I met too. Usually like you hang out with like your first semester friends, and like then that's like what they say, and like you usually like make more friends, and then like you don't really like still hang out with the people that like you make friends with first, but not us. Yeah. Blake said, can I be in this? Yes. Where are
Blake,
you?
We miss you.
Next question is, how long did it take to become close friends? We were always like hanging out after the first time we met, so like not long.
Like there weren't any like awkward stages of us like being close. Like we literally just got close like right away.
We were instant really good friends. I feel like we just knew that we like clicked. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Next question is, explain your version of a perfect date.
You go first.
I don't know. I never have been like the one to like think about a perfect date situation. Just like as long as they put in like effort and like if they think of a plan, like if they think, oh, let me make a reservation here, like let's go like somewhere after here and then we'll go here, like that's just like cute to me. Like I don't really care where we go, like because like, you know, you're like, as long as you're like with the person that you like you're excited.
When they give that 1% effort. Hi, Mia.
Mia's calling. Hi, Mia.
Hi, Mia.
Who's that?
How's that?
We're filming a video.
Tell everyone Mia says hi, then when Gigi's watching, she'll lose her shit.
Oh my god. We love Mia. She's the best. Okay, next question. Next question is, have you ever stopped talking because of a boy? No, that is so stupid. Don't do that. That's just dumb.
I think it's so stupid when like friendships are ruined over a guy. I just think it's so unnecessary and stupid.
It's weird. Like no, that has never happened. It never will.
I hate that. Never.
So what is your favorite thing about each other?
That you're genuinely a nice person and friend and are caring. You're like my mom, kind of.
Oh, I'm a mom. Did you hear that, guys?
Like when I was moving out, she folded all of my stuff and put it in boxes, and like
I
literally did all of the stuff she did not need to do.
We went to midnight Target once. It's like we were like doing the whole move-in process.
It was like the most stressful.
I've moved in so many people.
She is literally
actually like hit me up if you need a move.
She has helped so many people move out.
Why am I always the one? I also like moving people in.
She like,
like decorating.
Folded all my clothes.
It's
like
true. I'm gonna put on some of this milk blush, and it's pink for Valentine's Day. Have you used this?
No.
It's actually so
Do you like
nice.
put it on directly on your skin, or do you use your hand?
Like I just like do my hand and then like do like a little bit. It's like the best. Next question is advice on boys.
Don't wait around for a guy that literally doesn't care, because you will look stupid.
My advice going off of that is go for a guy that one you like hanging with, because you like it's important to be friends with them. I feel like that's like the most important thing.
And make sure like you can be yourself around them, because if you can't, like that's enough.
And also make sure that they'll like treat you nicely, because if they're like a boy, don't go for it. Not worth it at all. But my number one thing is go for a guy that can be like your best friend, but like also your boyfriend. Someone said, is it easy to meet friends in college? Yeah, I think yes and no though, because I feel like it's so easy to meet friends in college, and it's so easy to make friends because everyone else wants to make friends, but you have to be outgoing and like go out of your way to like say like, hey, let's hang out, and just like make an effort, you know what I mean, more than like a little more than usual.
Yeah, like if
when
you
you're having
isolate
a baby.
yourself, you're gonna have a hard time making friends. Like that's just how it is.
Yeah. Soph met Blake before me, and then I met Soph through Blake. Shout out to Blake.
Shout out to Blake.
It's actually really funny. Okay, next question is, what do you miss about being single? Well, I am single, so. Our friend Kale said YouTube or Vimeo. For sure, Vimeo. Obviously,
Shout out to Kale Goodman.
Soph's gonna pick a
Same.
question. Just absolutely
Okay.
go ham on this.
This is a good question. So, like, having a twin at school, how do you like it? Like, how do you like going to the same college as Blake?
If I'm being totally honest, I probably wouldn't have came to school here if Blake wasn't here, which is crazy, I know. I wish that I didn't think like that, but I'm also so happy that he came to school here because it's like my favorite place ever here. Like, I love it. Oh, I remember someone asking a question. What is or when was our first kiss? Before this video, I literally had to ask my mom because I forgot what my first kiss was, which is hilarious. Not that I've kissed like an insane amount of people, it's just like I forgot. And not because I was like too young. I'm just like digging myself in a hole, but like I forgot. I was like probably 15, I think.
Probably like 14 or 15.
Yeah. I feel like that's like a common age for a first kiss, right? I don't really know.
Yeah.
Sab said 4 is floor 5 or 4 is floor 6. For
5.
sure 5. 5 all the way, baby. Sab also said Ami or Gaza, which are 2 sushi places here.
Gaza, baby.
Gaza all the way, I think. But Ami has
All
better
the way.
memories. Someone said, do you have lip filler? No, I don't. Let's stop asking because I don't
She
have lip
doesn't.
filler.
Her twin brother has
He has big
the
lips
same
too.
size
So
lips.
like.
So, like, no.
I don't know what to tell
Not a
you
thing.
guys. Someone said, have you found matcha in Indiana yet? Yes, I have, guys. I've
Matcha's
messed
always
up.
been in Indiana.
I
people.
messed up.
Paige, come on.
Oh my god, after
I shout on her
said that
so much
in my
for
video,
that.
so many people gave me so much
I was like,
hate.
Paige, we literally have drank matcha multiple times in Indiana, so it's okay.
I messed up, guys.
It's okay.
Someone asked, what dorm do we live in? Does it really matter? Because at first I was like not gonna say anything, but I guess I made it obvious.
You probably have never heard of.
Yeah,
so
but that's because you moved. She used to live in
adding
Collins.
this.
If you guys are filling out your housing sheets, recommend Forest because it's actually
Okay, genuinely, like, maybe not Forest, but
Really?
I'm thinking
I thought
either
Forest is so good. You love Forest.
Briscoe. I love it, but like Briscoe.
Wait, did you say Foster?
Yeah.
Don't listen to her.
No.
I would probably do Forest, Briscoe. What's another
Forest,
nice one?
Briscoe, and honestly, like,
Reed's
guess
actually
McNutt.
nice.
Wait, is
no,
McNutt
McNutt's
shit?
not even gonna be here because they have mold.
oh yeah.
Blake, he actually got Forest too, and he was like, Forest is horrible, it's awful, but then like it was so fun. Like, we love it here. Okay, next one is, what is the thing that annoys you most about each other? I feel like this is a roommate question, but Soph and I like pretty much live together, so it's not like I feel like we can answer this.
She like needs a schedule and like needs to know like
No.
what we're doing, but like I'm very good with the flow. You're good with the flow, but
We're
like
both go with the flow, but I'm like, I need more of a like
she's like,
like
okay,
a-
like, do you want to do this, and then that, and then this, and
Yeah.
then I'm like, I don't care what we
Yeah.
do. Like, I genuinely don't. I'm very
That's
good with the
true.
flow, but
You
like, so
are.
are you. But like, sometimes
you're just
you care.
you're just more than me. But like I just like want
Yeah.
like a schedule. Like I don't
No.
care if like we follow it, but like
Exactly.
just like a schedule. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. My thing about you is
I know what you're gonna say.
she is so beyond messy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, she
Okay.
is.
I'm like, I left her flat
No.
iron on once while we were in the room. Like, I'll admit, like, sometimes
You're
I can be a little
messy.
messy, but like, I clean up after myself.
You're fine. You're
eventually.
getting better. You're getting better. This is like my favorite lip liner about this. The label has literally come off, but it is, oh no, I always forget.
Does it have it in the
It'll be linked down below. I always forget. I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna just put this little NARS lippy over.
Same. Oh, I'm gonna get mine. Oh my god, we have the same one.
Oh, I feel like this is really, really good for Valentine's Day because it's like such
It's,
a
like, so
beauty and,
natural and
little
cute.
pink. I think we're just gonna end the video off here. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I hope you guys have the best Valentine's Day, whatever you end up doing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.